Good PM. Here is the Lotto result today, 2 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, August 25, 2026. Here is the 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result for Tuesday, August 25, 2026. Here is the 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result for August 25, 2026, Tuesday. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, August 25, 2026. Here are the Tunesh jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Super Lotto 649, and Ultra Lotto 658 for August 25, 2026, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for Tuesday, August 25, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.